OnlyTG Echo provides the function to set start message. Start messages are some preset messages which will be sent to users when they use the start command or click the start button for the first time. Let's get to set start message. Step 1. Send the command start to your bot and click the start message button. Step 2. Click the add start message pack button. Reply to the name you want to set for the pack. Click the add new message button. A new one will be created. Every start message pack includes a maximum of 5 messages. They will all be sent at one time. Click the set MSG 1 button. You can add text, media, button, or use the module. Click add text, type your text and send. Once the update success message pops up, it means the process is complete. Click add media, select a media file to upload, can be pictures, videos, or other media files. Once the update success message pops up, it means the process is complete. Click add button, type button's name and the content but only link or module is accepted in content. Click the preview. This message button can check this start message. Let's see how it works. When users send start, multiple pre-configured start messages can be triggered in sequence.